Hogana kwa timu ya Afrori ya iretu ya muthako wa Gonya niyo Kenya Lioness nithiite na mbere na Kwĩnora mbere ya kunyitite mibitĩka-inĩ cia gĩtaro kĩa Africa iria ikahanĩka kiumia gĩũkĩte gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi. Akiaria ũmũthĩ hĩndĩ ya mĩhang'o ĩno ya Kwĩnora kĩharo-inĩ kĩa RFUEA gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi, coach munene wa timu ĩno Simon Odongo augĩte kumana na gũkorwo mbĩtĩka ici irathakĩrwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, timu ĩno yahota gũkorwo ĩkĩĩrutanĩria ikihorwo njeki ni mashabiki gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na gĩkombe gĩkĩ gĩtigwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Kenya ikahingũra mbĩtĩka ici na ngucanio ya timu ya bũrũri wa Ivory Coast.
Has really focused. We've been second for a while. In 2018 we took the cup in 2018. So the tournament's here at home. So everyone is ready to show our fans that we are able to take it back.
The ladies look sharp, and our target for the Africa Cup is, since it's on home ground, is to actually win the title. And but our mantra as Lionesses is always to take it one game at a time. So for us, our first final is Côte d'Ivoire. So that's the first game we're playing. So all our targets are on how do we make sure we eliminate Côte d'Ivoire from